Replace employee ID with the unique identifier. We have two tables. The first one is employees with the column names, ID, name. ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the name of an employee in a company. The second table is employee uni. We have column names, ID, and unique ID. ID and unique ID is the primary key, combination of columns with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Let's get started. Select. In the output, we need to have unique ID and name columns from employees. And let's put an alias. I'm using the standard naming with T1. For the first table, I use T1. For the second table, I use T2 and so on. T3, T4, so on. And then I'm going to be joining the second table, employee uni, with employees table. But which join type should I be using? And that's my question for you. Please take a second to guess which one should I be using, inner join or left join. So to understand which one is the right one, we need to check the output. And in the output, we are getting all the rows from the employees table, and we are getting unique ID column from the employee uni table. But if there is no unique ID, we are going to be writing null. So we need all the rows from employees, and if there is no corresponding ID in the employee uni table, then put null. In this case, the right answer is left join. All right, so let's give it a go and see. It's accepted, and let's submit. Perfect, it's accepted. Guys, again, this concept of understanding in the difference between inner join and left join is used a lot in so many different cases. When you want to get all the rows from the first table, from the left table, we call employees table, all the IDs from employees, so all employees should be included, and we need the columns, some columns from the second table. But if that column is empty, or if that column is null, we are still going to include all the rows from the employees table, which in this case, as you can see, name is coming from employees table. We have everybody's names here. We have all the employees. And for some employees, we don't know their unique ID because it's not in the employee uni table. So in the employee uni table, there is no unique ID for Alice and Bob. But we still get Alice and Bob and write null because that's what the question is asking us, to bring all the employees. And if you don't have the unique ID, you can just write null. On the other hand, if the question was asking us to bring all the employees who have unique IDs, then an inner join would be the right answer. So this is the concept, guys. Please, if you have questions, let me know. You can also check in other documents, ask ChatGPT, etc., to learn the difference between inner join and left join. I know that this is a very important concept. It's being used a lot, also in the interviews. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next video.